Good Saturday morning to you, Alabama. Rain increases today, but the big story is the threat for severe storms Sunday night into Monday. Tornadoes, damaging winds, and large hail all possible. Here's what I have for you. We're seeing a few showers on radar early this morning, but with dry air in place, a lot of that isn't making it to the ground just yet. As moisture increases throughout the day, rain will begin to reach the surface, with coverage picking up in the afternoon. A few thunderstorms could develop, but with instability and shear on the lower end, we're not expecting severe weather. Rainfall amounts should generally stay under a half an inch, though some spots in northwestern Alabama might pick up a little more. With clouds and rain around, temperatures will be a bit cooler up that way, but most locations will still manage to climb into the mid to upper 70s. A strong weather system will be moving across the Midwest and Mississippi Valley, setting the stage for severe storms on Sunday. A cold front will fire up storms to our northwest Sunday afternoon, with the potential for large hail, damaging winds, and even a few tornadoes. As these storms move eastward overnight, they could form into organized lines, increasing the risk of strong winds and embedded tornadoes. For Alabama, the setup is a little more uncertain due to questions about early rain and cloud cover. If enough instability develops, severe storms could form in the lower Mississippi Valley and Tennessee Valley, bringing the threat of very large hail, damaging winds, and possibly strong tornadoes. Some models suggest lingering showers may limit the severe potential, but we'll have to watch closely. If conditions become more favorable, the threat level could be adjusted higher. For now, the Storm Prediction Center has placed northwest Alabama under an elevated risk, level 3 of 5, for Sunday night into Monday morning, with a slight risk, level 2 of 5, extending farther south and east, and a marginal risk for the rest of the state. The severe weather risk continues into Monday, with most of the state under a slight risk, except for the northwest corner, where a marginal risk is in place. Timing-wise, these storms could start impacting northwest Alabama as early as 10 p.m. Sunday, reaching central Alabama around 4 a.m. Monday, and moving into the southeastern part of the state by 8 a.m., exiting by mid-afternoon. All modes of severe weather are possible, including tornadoes, damaging winds, and large hail. Stay weather aware and keep up with updates as we get closer. Tuesday will be a much quieter day as Monday's storms move out. Temperatures will stay mild to warm, with highs in the lower 70s to lower 80s. Expect mostly sunny skies for much of the day, but clouds will start increasing late ahead of our next weather maker arriving Wednesday. As we head into the second half of the week, we're keeping a close eye on another potential round of storms. A ridge near Florida will help pump in some serious warmth, with temperatures approaching record highs. But before that happens, we've got a storm system to deal with Wednesday night. A cold front will stall just northwest of Alabama, and right now it's uncertain whether storms will make it into our area. But if they do, they could be strong to severe, with all types of severe weather on the table. The setup isn't a guarantee, but it's worth watching. For now, the Storm Prediction Center has a slight risk for severe storms up in northwest Alabama. Highs will be up in the upper 70s to the mid 80s. With a stalled front hanging around to our northwest and disturbances rotating through, we'll have to watch for thunderstorms on Thursday and Friday. If they manage to push into Alabama, they could take advantage of the heat and instability, potentially turning strong. This isn't a sure thing yet, but something to keep our eye on. Highs will be in the lower 80s to near 90 on Thursday and Friday. Well, I'm meteorologist Scott Martin, wishing that you have a great day, even with having to dodge some raindrops. Stay weather aware, and I'll talk to you again next Saturday.